Apple hits new sustainability milestones. Recycled content and plastic-free packaging, Apple has released its 2025 Environmental Progress Report, revealing significant strides. In its mission to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030, the company has reached several key milestones regarding material sourcing, waste reduction, and emissions management, signaling a shift from mere corporate promises to measurable industrial changes. A shift towards circular manufacturing, a central theme of the report, is the integration of recycled materials into the core of Apple's hardware. According to the data, 30% of all products shipped by Apple last year contained recycled content. The company is focusing heavily on high-impact materials that are traditionally difficult to source sustainably. Batteries now utilize 100% recycled cobalt. Magnets now utilize 100% recycled rare earth elements. Packaging: Apple has successfully eliminated plastic from its packaging, transitioning entirely to fiber-based materials that are fully recyclable. A standout example of this trend is the newly introduced MacBook Neo. The device is designed to be Apple's most environmentally friendly laptop to date, boasting the highest recycled content, the lowest carbon footprint, and significantly improved repairability compared to previous models. Decarbonization and the 2030 goal, while many corporations set sustainability targets for 2050, a timeframe critics argue lacks urgency. Apple is working toward a much more aggressive 2030 deadline. This requires immediate, structural changes to how the company operates and how its suppliers function. The report highlights several key achievements in emissions reduction. Greenhouse gas reductions. Apple has reduced its emissions by 60% compared to its 2015 baseline. Operational neutrality. The company has already achieved carbon neutrality in its own corporate operations. Value chain transition. The next major hurdle is transitioning its entire global value chain to clean electricity. For emissions that cannot yet be eliminated, such as business travel, Apple utilizes carbon offsets. The company currently invests in carbon credit projects located in Guatemala and China to mitigate its remaining footprint. Why this matters? The industry context: the tech industry is one of the world's largest consumers of rare minerals and energy. By increasing the use of recycled cobalt and rare earth elements, Apple is not just reducing waste, it is actively reducing the demand for new mining operations. This has a direct positive impact on ecosystems and the communities often displaced or harmed by extractive industries. However, the transition from carbon neutral to carbon negative remains the ultimate frontier. While Apple is making rapid progress, the true test will be whether it can successfully decarbonize its massive, global supply chain, a task far more complex than managing its own corporate offices. These milestones in our work to protect the planet show that ambitious goals can also be powerful engines of innovation, stated Apple CEO Tim Cook. Conclusion: Apple is successfully transitioning toward a circular economy by integrating high percentages of recycled materials and eliminating plastic packaging. While the company has made massive strides in emissions reduction, its ability to meet its ambitious 2030 carbon neutrality goal depends on the total transformation of its global supply chain.